fellow Falcons. This is the Baker Falcon, and today I'm doing another bird news video. Today's announcements are we are going to try to make more videos and make some custom thumbnails just because it makes the videos look better. Yeah. We will also try to record Xbox 360 with good quality. Unlike the Halo 3 one where we kind of failed miserably. Yeah. Anyways, I think that's it. Let me think. Flashlight. I think that's it. Oh yes, I will be doing some new, I'll be doing some new Let's Plays. Maybe this one, Pixel Gun 3D, Alternative Wires 3, Asphalt 8. I will probably do a video of this just because it's simple and fun. Yes, and this, I don't know why I have this here. Okay, another announcement, that's for my sister. So don't worry about that, I'm never gonna do that unless my sister comes and takes over the evil kingdom. Wait, why would someone take over the evil kingdom? If they were good guys. Oh wait, that would make more sense. The good guys will take over the evil kingdom. So the evil kingdom could become good. Okay, I think that's it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, tell your friends, subscribe, and I'll fly to you next time.